Draw a line. Erase the line. Draw a dot. Draw another dot. Connect the dots.
Is this a dot? Yes, it is a dot. Is this a line? Yes, it is a line. Is this a dot? No, it is not a dot. It is a line.
Draw a line. Draw another line. Erase the lines. Draw a short line. Draw a long line. Erase the long line. Erase the short line.
Draw a long blue line and a short red line. Is the blue line longer than the red line? Yes, it's longer. Is the blue line shorter than the red line? No, it's not shorter. Is the red line shorter than the blue line? Yes, it is. Which is longer? The blue line is longer. Which is shorter? The red line is shorter. Blue, red, short, long. Draw a blue line and a red line. Draw a long blue line, then a short red line. Erase all. Lines. Short line, long line. Thin line, thick line. Solid line, dash. Straight line, curve. End. Draw a line. Draw one line. Draw two lines. Draw three lines. Draw three dots. Connect the dots. What is this? It's a triangle. What is this? It's a rectangle. What is this? It's a circle. End. Draw a circle. Draw a triangle inside the circle. Draw a rectangle outside the circle. Inside, outside. What is inside the circle? A triangle. Is the rectangle outside the circle? No, it is not. Is the triangle outside the circle? No, it's not outside. Between. What is between this triangle and the circle? Rectangle. What is between the rectangle and the triangle? Circle. What is between the circle and the rectangle? Triangle. What is above the rectangle? Triangle. It is above the rectangle. What is below the triangle? Rectangle. It is below the triangle. Below, above, between. Divide the circle into two. Divide the circle into four. Division. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. What is this? It is a knife. What is this? It is a scissor. Cut into 2 pieces with a knife. Cut into 2 pieces with a scissor.